again, welcome back to my channel eStudent. Now in this video we'll learn how to compute total income and how to compute tax liability on total income for the assessment year 1920. But before we start to learn, anyone who is new on my channel, then please subscribe the channel, like, share this video. Before we learn how to compute total income, we have to know what is meant by total income. What is total income? Total income is equal to chapter 4 from chapter 4 excluded chapter 3 plus chapter 5 minus chapter 6. This is our gross total income, and if we minus chapter 6a, then it comes to total income, or you can say net taxable income. And if anyone who do not know about what is chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 6a, chapter 3rd, then please click on I button on above the video. Now we understand with the help of example. Example is Mr. Ram, who has 56 years old and he earned income from the following sources. He earned income from salary rupees 2,80,000, income from house property rupees 3 lakh, and income from capital gain rupees 1 lakh, and he also earned income from other sources rupees 1,50,000. In this case, we have to find out Mr. Ram total income, Mr. Ram tax liability for the assessment year 1920. Now we compute total income of Mr. Ram, who is 56 years old, for the assessment year 1920. Income under the head salary rupees 2,80,000, income under the head house property rupees 3 lakh, income under the head capital gain rupees 1 lakh, income under the head income from other sources rupees 1,50,000, and the total is 8,30,000. This is our gross total income. In this case, now we have a gross total income of rupees 8,30,000 less deduction under section chapter 6a under 80C. In this case, it is also given that Ram has life insurance policy of rupees 10 lakh and the premium on which rupees 1 lakh. And under 80C, we have power to deduct premium as a deduction. Now we less 1 lakh as a deduction. Now the balance is 7,30,000, and the balance is our total income, or you can say taxable income, or you can say net income for the assessment year 1920. Now we have a basic idea that how to compute total income, or you can say taxable income. Now we learn how to compute tax liability. But before, we have to know what is flat rate and slab rate. Why we have to know what is flat rate and slab rate? Because income tax have two rate of taxes, which is flat rate and another one is slab rate. First we learn what is flat rate. Flat rate is a single rate which is levied on a particular amount, and the rate will not affect if the above amount is more or less than to a certain amount. One of the most seen or used example of flat rate is depreciation rate. Now we learn with the help of example. Now the example is here. A machine cost of rupees 1 lakh and the depreciation on which is 10% per annum. Then amount of depreciation equal to 10,000, and how we calculate 1 lakh into 10 by 100. If machine cost increase up to 5 lakh, then the amount of depreciation is equal to 50,000, and if machinery cost decrease up to 80,000, then the amount of depreciation is equal to 8,000. Now you can see, if machinery cost increase from 1 lakh or decrease from 1 lakh, it does not affect the rate of depreciation. I hope you understood what is flat rate, and it's enough for this video. I will upload next part of this video soon, and if you like this video, then please like, share this video and comment on this video which part of the video you like the most. and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.